Hello everyone. So in the question it is given that the Mariana Trench is located in the floor of the Pacific Ocean at a depth of 11,000 meters, okay, below the surface of water. And the seawater density is given as 1025 kg per meter cube, okay. And if an underwater vehicle were to explore such a depth, what force would the water exert on the vehicle? That we have to calculate. And the vehicle's observation window has a radius of 0.1 meter. Okay, so we have to calculate that what amount of force water exerts on the vehicle's observation window. Okay, not on vehicle only, we have to calculate on the vehicle's observation window. Okay, so